Chapter 15: Returns, Refunds, and Royalties on Amazon KDP. Navigating the world of self-publishing on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing (KDP) involves understanding not just the creative process but also the business aspects. This involves knowing how returns, refunds, and royalties work on the platform. This chapter will provide an overview of these key elements: returns and refunds. Amazon KDP has specific policy for returns and refunds. Ebooks. Amazon allows customers to return ebooks within 7 days of purchase. If a customer returns an ebook, Amazon deducts the corresponding royalty from your account. Printed books. The return policy for printed books depends on the policies of the retail site selling your book. Amazon may allow customers to return books under certain circumstances, but typically, self-published authors are not directly affected by these returns. I highly recommend the book Self-Publishing Your Book on Amazon KDP, The KDP Formula by Saurabh Dash. This comprehensive guide covers everything from writing and formatting your book to navigating Amazon's marketplace for maximum profit. It reveals the secrets of self-publishing, helping you master book marketing and generate income. Designed to transform writers into published authors, it makes the process both feasible and economical. Save resources, reach readers worldwide, and start your authorial journey today with this tactical roadmap. Get your copy now before it is too late. This investment will be a boon for a lifetime. Join me for a one-on-one coaching session on the entire self-publishing process on Amazon KDP. In these personalized sessions, you will learn everything from writing and formatting your book to mastering marketing strategies and maximizing your profits. Your one-time investment will provide maximum benefits, helping you become a successful author and manage the self-publishing process independently. You will gain hands-on experience and practical tips tailored to your unique needs. Reach us at blazegoodburst.com, email us or WhatsApp us. All information is in the description below. Royalties. Royalties are the payment you receive from selling books on Amazon KDP. The amount you receive depends on several factors. Book type. Royalties for ebooks and printed books are calculated differently. Ebooks royalties are based on the list price and the file size of your book, while printed book royalties are based on the list price minus the printing costs. Royalty plan. Amazon KDP offers two royalty plans for ebooks, 35% and 70%. The plan you choose affects your royalty rate. Sales territory. The royalty rate can vary depending on the geographical location of the sale. Distribution channel. Royalties can also depend on whether the book was sold directly through Amazon or through an expanded distribution channel. Understanding returns, refunds, and royalties is crucial for managing your self publishing venture on Amazon KDP. It allows you to anticipate potential costs and earnings, helping you make informed decisions about pricing and distribution. As with all business ventures, the key to success lies in understanding the fine print. In the next chapter, we will learn more about navigating taxes with Amazon KDP. So stay tuned and stay subscribed. If you are an author and want to be a guest on the Blaze Goldburst Show's video podcast for an author interview, use the contact form in the link in the description below. To be eligible, you must subscribe to the channel and send us your book blurb and book link. We are selecting 100 authors who deserve to be featured. Check it out now. For more information, visit blazegoldburst.com. Email us at blazegoldburst.services@gmail.com or WhatsApp us at +91 8847 889597. Join us and share your story with a wider audience. If you prefer to avoid the hassle of self-publishing, we have got you covered. Reach out to us anytime and we will handle everything for you. From formatting your manuscript into an ebook, paperback, and hardcover to publishing it on Amazon KDP. We take care of every detail. Our team of experts ensures your book meets all the necessary standards and stands out in the marketplace. You won't need to worry about any aspect of the process. We are here to support you every step of the way. Whether it's designing an eye-catching cover, optimizing your book's metadata for better discoverability, or setting up your author profile, we have got it all covered. Let us be your dedicated supporter on this journey to becoming a published author. Visit us at blazegoldburst.com to get started. Your dream of seeing your book in the hands of readers worldwide is just a click away.